Welcome to a powerful session of affirmations designed to inspire clarity, peace, and order in your life. These affirmations will help you release mental, emotional, and physical clutter, making space for what truly matters. Repeat them daily to reinforce a mindset of simplicity, mindfulness, and organization. Affirmations for decluttering the mind. My mind is clear, focused, and calm. I release all thoughts that no longer serve me. I choose peace over chaos. Every breath I take brings clarity and calmness. I let go of mental clutter and embrace mental clarity. My thoughts are organized and positive. I create space in my mind for new empowering ideas. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. I forgive myself and others, freeing my mind from past burdens. I focus on what truly matters to me. Affirmations for decluttering physical spaces. I create a home that reflects peace, order, and simplicity. I release items that no longer bring me joy or serve a purpose. My space is organized, clean, and clutter-free. I am grateful for the items I have and mindful of what I keep. Letting go of excess possessions brings me freedom. I make decisions about my belongings with confidence and clarity. I value quality over quantity in my life and surroundings. My home is a sanctuary of simplicity and serenity. I enjoy the process of creating an organized and beautiful space. Every item I keep has a purpose and a place. Affirmations for emotional decluttering. I release emotional baggage and choose inner peace. I am free from the weight of past regrets. I embrace forgiveness and let go of resentment. My heart is open to love, joy, and new experiences. I deserve to feel light, happy, and at ease. I honor my feelings and release what no longer serves me. I am in charge of my emotional well-being. I let go of worry and trust the journey of my life. My heart is filled with gratitude and positivity. I choose happiness over holding on to the past. Affirmations for digital decluttering. I manage my digital life with clarity and purpose. I delete what is unnecessary and organize what I need. My digital space supports my productivity and peace of mind. I am mindful of my screen time and prioritize real-life connections. I create boundaries that protect my mental wellness online. My inbox is organized, and I control my digital environment. I disconnect to reconnect with myself and my priorities. I use technology as a tool, not a distraction. My digital life is streamlined and efficient. I enjoy the freedom that comes with a decluttered digital space. Affirmations for organizing and maintaining order. Organization comes naturally to me. I create systems that simplify my life. I find joy in maintaining order and structure. My life is balanced, and I manage my time effectively. I am consistent in my efforts to stay organized. Every day, it takes small steps to keep my space tidy. I prioritize what's important and let go of the rest. My environment reflects the calm and order within me. I feel empowered and accomplished when my space is organized. I am committed to living an organized, clutter-free life. Decluttering and organizing are more than just physical activities. They are powerful practices that influence your mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Use these affirmations as daily reminders of your commitment to simplicity, clarity, and intentional living. Speak them with conviction, believe in their power, and watch as they transform your life from the inside out.